Hi everyone. Hope you guys are safe and at home. I'm Santosh Padi here, uh, Chief Creative Officer, co-founder of Taproot Densu. Well, it's never easy to work from home, and especially I don't enjoy working from home for such a long period. I always believe in meeting people and sitting across the table and solving a problem. So it has been long that I'm missing out on those human bonds. I always believe that when two human beings come across, there's a lot of great vibe, exchange of energy, and that human emotion really transforms into something wonderful. So yeah, I'm missing out on those action, especially Taproot, because we are a small unit of 40-45 people, and our biggest strength is coming together face to face, sitting across and cracking that idea or solving that problem, and somehow I'm missing that grip, as I said earlier. So yeah, hopefully we will come out of this lockout soon. And it's a tough time. It's a tough time for the world. We are going through a very unusual phase, which I think nobody has ever experienced, or most of us have never experienced. It's more tough for our industry because I think we are the ones that will get a big time beating, because brands and companies may decide to advertise, but they may not come to creative agencies to keep creating fresh creatives. They may rerun or run some of their old ads. So creative industry will have a big time challenge. Hence, I feel we need to be a lot more positive. We need to be a lot more energetic. We need to prove ourselves. We need to relook at ourselves. As it is last couple of years, it has been a challenge where we need to reinvent the wheel, and more so in coming months or maybe a year and a half. So, but it's not impossible. We need to be more focused. We need to be a lot more creative. We need to be a lot more innovative. So that's how I think we'll able to overcome this problem soon. Well, working from home and doing a lot of household work actually makes the point clear that, or rather, a big respect for the household's support that you have been getting all these days, which I think we have been ignoring, or we have been not celebrating those guys who are of great help, be it at office or be it at home, those maids and servants and the support staff. uh, I think when you start doing some of their bit, you realize that they put a lot, they bring in a lot at your house or at your office uh, without you knowing them. So hats off to them for all these years of support. As I said, only when then they are not there, you realize what they bring on table. So I'm definitely going to have a massive respect for this bunch of guys in future, and hope you guys also realize how helpful they have been. Last few days, I've been seeing some wonderful images of nature, be it the stars, be it peacocks in Mumbai or dolphins around Mumbai, or many other creatures that are actually enjoying this world the way we used to enjoy 15 days back. So it suddenly makes the point very loud and clear to all of us that the world doesn't only belongs to us. It's the world that we share with millions of creatures, and some of them have been around long before than us. So I hope going forward, once this lockdown period is over, we do realize that we are living in a world which is not owned by us, and we do respect and give them the kind of space that they deserve. I think as it is, we have hijacked the houses, we have hijacked the environment so much that nature can backfire if needed in a very nasty way. So, so I request everyone to be sensitive towards Mother Nature, towards Earth, towards the planet, and give some space and be nice to the environment and to each other. I have been running marathon for last 6 years, so I have actually got addicted to this sport, to fitness in last 4 5 years. And to be frank, I'm big time missing out on my running, my fitness regime, and my workouts. So I mean, absolutely, there is nothing that you can do. I mean, you're not allowed to step out of the house. So all this while, I believe that a healthy body leads to a healthy mind, and actually, I witnessed it in last 5 6 years. But now, since I can't do any of those physical activities, now I am training my mind to be a lot more positive, to be a lot more energetic, and I am experiencing that transform happening from mind to my body. And believe me, it's a new learning, it's a new kick, and once you control your mind, I think it shows on your body. And it's a new experience that I have just experienced. Definitely, working from home or being into the lockdown period at home, there is a very different kind of bond that you get into with your family member. It's not a bond that you have gone out on a trip, where a lot of your time goes in discovering many things around the place. So this bond is very different. I mean, I keep on referring to it as very different because you are together, you're working together, you're eating together, you're doing many things together, which I don't think I have ever done, or most of us have ever done with our family members. That's why I think, knowingly, unknowingly, it's a very different kind of bond that each of this relationship is going to get nurtured very well in coming few days. And I think this was much needed for professional like us, who hardly gave any time to family members. So I'm glad. Unfortunately, it has happened in such a way, but I'm glad that this lockout period has helped me getting more closer to my family.